In this video, you'll learn how to change settings in Claude Projects so you can better organize and control how you work. We'll walk through where to find your projects, how to open the right one, and how to access the settings menu, all in a simple, clear way. Even though it's a short process, understanding exactly where everything is will save you time and frustration later on. First, start by looking over to the left side of your Claude interface. You should see a sidebar that includes several options, and one of those is labeled Projects. This sidebar is your main navigation area, and the Projects section is where all of your organized workspaces live. Go ahead and click on Projects. If you don't see it right away, make sure your window is maximized or that the sidebar isn't collapsed. Sometimes, on smaller screens, parts of the sidebar can be hidden until you expand it. Once you click on Projects, you'll see a list of all the projects you've created or have access to. Take a moment to identify the specific project you want to modify. The project names are usually listed in a straightforward way, so look for the one that matches what you're currently working on. If you have many projects, you might need to scroll through the list to find the right one. Now click on the project you want to update. This opens that project's main workspace. Inside a project, you might see conversations, files, or other resources, depending on how you've been using it. Don't worry about those for now. Our focus is on getting to the settings area where you can change how the project behaves or is organized. With your project open, move your attention towards the top right corner of the project screen. In many interfaces, important tools and options are tucked up here, and Claude Projects are no different. Look for a small icon with 3 dots, sometimes called the More Options button. It usually appears as 3 horizontal or vertical dots. Go ahead and click that 3-dot icon. Clicking those 3 dots reveals a small menu with several options related to your project. Among these options, you should see something like Project Settings or a clearly labeled Settings option tied to that specific project. If you don't immediately see the 3 dots, or if your version looks a bit different, you might instead see a tab or button labeled Project Settings somewhere along the top of the project page. In that case, just click that tab directly. Once you've opened the Project Settings area, you're in the right place to adjust how your project works. From here, you can review all available settings and make changes as needed, such as updating the project name, adjusting permissions, or fine-tuning other options that affect how you and your collaborators use this project. Take your time to read through each section so you understand what you're changing before you confirm anything. And that's all there is to it. Open the project section from the left sidebar, select the project you want, then use the 3-dot menu or the project settings tab in the top right to access its settings.